Welcome my viewers once more. Today I am going to make a very interesting video for the aspirants of UGC for the English subject, for the people who have already cleared their NET examination and they are preparing for assistant professors in different universities and colleges. This video will also help PGTs and TGTs for Kendriya Vidyalaya, Navodaya Vidyalaya, army schools and other states of Haryana. The title of my video is Famous Writers with Their Pen Names. There is always some questions on famous authors with their pen names. So if you students like this video, share it with your friends. Our first author is George Orwell. George Orwell, is a famous 20th century British novelist. George Orwell is pen name of Eric Blair. Eric Blair is real name. He was born in 1903 and he died in 1950. He is author of famous works such as Burmese Days in 1934, Animal Farm in 1945. It is a political allegory, and his famous work 1984, which was published in 1949. So remember, George Orwell is pen name of Eric Blair. Now I want to show his picture so that you remember it. Then our second author is George Eliot. Okay, George Eliot, is a Victorian novelist. Her real name was Mary Ann Evans, popularly known as George Eliot, born in 1819 and died in 1880. She wrote such works as Middlemarch, Silas Marner, and Adam Bede. Adam Bede is her famous work. It was published in 1859. Middlemarch came in 1871 and Silas Marner, it came in 1861. So remember, George Eliot's real name is Mary Ann Evans and George Eliot is pen name of Mary Ann Evans. Third author is, so student always remember there are definitely one question on pen name of different authors that I am going to tell. I will cover 15 authors. Third author is Charles Dickens, a Victorian comic writer. Okay, Victorian author, born in 1812 and died in 1870. His real name was Bodge. Okay, his real name was Bodge, and his famous work is A Tale of Two Cities, Hard Times. Okay, Tale of Two Cities and Hard Time. I don't want to give complete list of Charles Dickens novel because he wrote many novels. Then I want to show his picture, Charles Dickens. Then fourth author is Joseph Conrad. Joseph Conrad is also a British 20th century novelist, born in 1857, died in 1924. His real name was Geoff Theodore Conrad. Okay, he was actually a Polish by birth, and his famous works are Heart of Darkness, which came in 1899. Lord Jim also came in 1899. The Secret Agent in 1907, and last novel Victory. Okay, so Joseph Conrad, his real name was Geoff Theodore Conrad. Then next author, our next author is number 5, Mark Twain, American. Okay, he is an American novelist of 19th century, born in 1835 and died in 1910. His real name was Samuel L. Clemens. He is author of two famous works, Adventures of Tom Sawyer and Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Always remember, these questions are always there in examinations. in PGTs, in TGTs, in UGC examinations. I have studied various papers of UGC NET. Okay, different state teacher recruitment papers. On the basis of these study of papers, I have concluded that these should be told to the students through a video. Okay, Mark Twain. Okay, Mark Twain, real name was Samuel L. Clemens. His pen name is Mark Twain. We know him by Mark Twain, popularly known as Mark Twain, American author. Then number 6. Our number 6 is O. Henry. O. Henry is pen name of William Sidney Porter, born in 1862 and died in 1910. He is a short story writer and he is also known as the father of short story writing. O. Henry's famous story is The Last Leaf. Remember, it is in class 9th syllabus of CBSE board. Story of two painters, Jency and Sue. Then this picture of O. Henry. You can remember the pictures, and some pictorial questions are also there in UGC examinations. 7. Cyril Day Lewis. Cyril Day Lewis is also a 20th century poet. He became poet laureate in 1968. This question is also important from UGC NET point of view. He belongs to Ireland and he is a communist favored author along with Stephen Spender. It is Cyril Day Lewis. Then Nicholas Blake is real name of Cyril Day Lewis. Cyril Day Lewis is pen name of Nicholas Blake. Then number 8, Lewis Carroll. He is a very known author for children. He wrote Adventures of Underground. Okay, Alice in Wonderland is also written by him, Lewis Carroll. His real name is Charles Dodgson, born in 1832 and he died in 1898. Let's cover next author. Our next author is Emily Bronte. Okay, Emily Bronte, one of Bronte sisters, one of 3 Bronte sisters, born in 1880 and died in 1848. Her real name was Alice Bell. She is famous for her novel Wuthering Heights, which came in the year 1847. Next author is Pablo Neruda. He belongs to Chile and he won Nobel Prize in 1971. He was born in 1904. Moon Yan, born in 1956. He is still alive now, 66 years old. He belongs to China and he got Nobel Prize in 2012. His real name is Gyun Moe, but his pen name is Moon Yan. Then next author is Jonathan Swift. Jonathan Swift does not have any pen name, but there is a work, The Spectator, which was authored by Addison and Steele. Okay, there is a character, Isaac Beckershaft. Okay, Isaac Beckershaft, and Isaac Beckershaft is pen name of Jonathan Swift in the magazine The Spectator. This question can also be asked like this, so I have covered it. Jonathan Swift was born in 1667 and he died in 1745. He is a restoration satirist. Then last, okay, This picture of Jonathan Swift. Last 15th is C 3.3.3 is occasionally used for Oscar Wilde, George Bernard Shaw and Christopher North. तो ये क्वेश्चन भी, this question is also very important. And John Wilson is real name of Christopher North. John Wilson is real name of Christopher North. Okay, so I do hope that this informative video will help you a lot in the preparation of UGC NET examination, which is scheduled in this month. Moreover, side by side assistant professors interviews and recruitment examinations are also going on in different states of our country. PGT examinations are also scheduled. So if you like this video, share with your friends so that I can help them in the preparation of their competitive exam. In my next video, I will cover titles and subtitles of famous literary works. Then I will cover autobiographies and biographies written by different authors. I will also cover types of stanzas and generals which were started by different authors. So I hope that these videos will come in very short time. Within this week, this video will be launched on my YouTube channel, Easy English NCERT Learning with Shinderpal. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel so that you can get notification when any new video is there. Thank you very much for listening, for viewing my video, and have a nice day.